Welcome to Bryant University's Amica Center for Career Education's tutorial on how to search for jobs, internships, and other positions in the BCC. Today we're going to explore how to search for positions in two different ways. However, before we do that, we would just like to identify how you may log into BCC if you have not yet done so. One method is by finding the Amica Center webpage and logging in through the BCC login button, or you can do so through the My Bryant portal's Quick Launch tool, selecting the Bryant Career Connection button. Once logged in, you'll have the option to explore a variety of career development tools, such as searching for positions, which we'll do today, but also options like exploring events, exploring our resources, or signing up for coaching appointments. Let's explore some jobs and internships. The two methods we'll be searching today are the Jobs and Internships specific search tool, but also searching based on specific employers. First, we'll use the Jobs and Internships tool. When you click on the left-hand side Jobs and Internships tab, we'll be presented with three options: Search and Apply, My Applications, and More Jobs. The My Applications button will become more relevant once you have applied to some positions, and the More Jobs button is one you can explore on your own free time. However, if you're looking for a strategic, specific search for positions, we recommend choosing Search and Apply. When you click Search and Apply, make sure that your ad blocker is turned off, otherwise you'll be presented with an error message. Once you have clicked on Search and Apply, you'll be brought to an initial job postings home screen, which provides recommendations based on your career interests. We certainly encourage that you explore these. However, to gain access to a more specific targeted search, we recommend clicking the See All Jobs button located under the Search button on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you click See All Jobs, you'll be brought to a more traditional job search tool. You'll notice now that we have 464 results posted, which is the current number of positions posted in total in BCC, which span everything from job shadows to part-time jobs, internships, full-time jobs, and volunteer opportunities. You'll also notice that some of these positions have a red button that says Not Qualified next to them. This is a result of us using a test student account. When you do perform your own search, you may see buttons that say Not Qualified next to positions that have specific requirements that you may not meet, such as specific majors or specific class years. To perform your search, we first recommend filtering based on position type. The initial filter set is position type, industry, and job function. And while job function and industry can be useful tools, position type is likely the best way to begin your search. So for this hypothetical search, we're going to search for internships. When we click on position type, you'll see the variety of options we may choose from. We recommend choosing all of the types of internships or work opportunities that may apply to your search so as not to completely limit your options. Here we'll choose credit optional, credit required, and non-credit. Though there are two other internship options, these likely do not apply for myself, who is searching as an undergraduate. When we hit apply, we'll see that we're now filtered down to 171 results. This is still a good number, however, we'd like to filter a little bit further. And while you may search by industry and job function, we recommend clicking on the More Filters button to expand our filter options. Once you've done so, you'll see that there is a variety of other functions that you can now filter through, and we recommend choosing one of two. You may choose to search based on majors and concentrations or based on fields of interest. Majors and concentrations identify the specific majors that have been chosen by a job poster that they believe have the skills to complete the position, whereas fields of interest have categorized every position into specific career fields where our students tend to cluster. Today, I will hypothetically believe I am searching for an accounting, banking, finance, or insurance position. When I've selected this, I can now scroll down and hit the Apply button. Having done this, I'm now down to 105 results, which is a reasonable number for me to now explore and identify potential opportunities that I may be interested in. Having now done so, I can click on an opportunity and explore the different requirements, expectations, and the deadlines by which I am now considering applying for this position. When you are interested in applying, an apply button will present itself right here, and you can click and apply right through the BCC home screen. That's the first method by which we can explore options. Now we can actually search based on employers for our second search method. If you click again now on the left-hand navigation screen under Employers, and we click the All Employers button, we can actually search based on any employer who has ever posted or participated in an Amica Center event. You'll notice right now that we have 3,186 employers who have at one point or another created a position with us or participated in an event. For my search, I'm hypothetically going to search for a position at Target. So if I click Target or type in Target, I can explore to see if they've set an account with us. Knowing that they have, I can scroll down and find Target Corporation. Click on their employer page. Once on their employer page, I can learn more about them by reading their overview. I can click to see if they've attended our career fair, which this year they have, and I can click to see the specific available positions that they have posted. You may do this for any company that has an account with us. Some will have positions posted, others will not, but you can always keep tabs by adding them to your favorite lists, and then you will get updates anytime that they post a position. We highly recommend favoriting companies that you may be interested in working at now or in the future. These were two ways that you can search for job positions in the BCC. Be sure to check back in with our office and online to see the amazing things that we have going on at Bryant's Amica Center for Career Education.